Look, Barrett, the silk fence is working.
Yeah.
See the little water trenches coming down into the ditch. Awesome.
Hat's about to fall off. I can't see the line, Barrett. Stop. All right. Let there be light.
Whoops. All right, Barrett, see if she fits in there. All right, perfect.
Yep.
Should go back to these clips. Yeah. There you go.
Yep.
Awesome. See, that back piece comes out. That's like a weather cover for the, you know, so you can rough it in.
Oh yeah, there's the screws. Okay, cool.
Yeah. All right, so this is a little through-the-wall, it's not a heat pump. It's just got, 4,000 BTU of heat in it. And so I'll have that. And I'll also have my little under the desk, my old lady heater for, for my toes. And should be plenty. This is only 300 square feet, so it should be easy to heat and cool with the Tyvek. I'm gonna have Tyvek on the ceiling too, so this is gonna be a complete envelope, and then we'll insulate the walls, and this is gonna be easy to heat, Barrett.
Want me to put the extension cord in here or what? The extension cord.
Yeah.
Leave it here?
Yeah, we're gonna leave it here so we'll have it so we don't have to drag it back and forth. Barrett's picking up while we get ready to go. It said use 1.5 inch minimum. I got a 3-inch screw. Yeah, baby. Now I'll have to kind of route out the back of the tongue and groove for that, but it's no big deal. Now I gotta do these up here. And then there's a foam seal. The reason you leave a little bit of a gap is there's a foam seal that goes around that. Where are you? There you are. I don't think that's coming out. That's a 3-inch screw. All right, heating there. You found a pair of pliers?
Found them.
No, there's no way. I know, thank you, Jesus. Where are you? I didn't bring any tools except our cordless, Barrett's cordless drill. And we were trying to attach this little ground wire right here. And I'm doing it in reverse. Here, Barrett. Might have to turn the light on. And what I'm doing is I'm screwing the little plasticky thing on this screw. This screw's already there, and I didn't want to take it out. So I thought I would just finger tighten this, but I can't even finger tighten it because it requires more force, and it's like 30 degrees, so I couldn't get my fingers on there any tighter. So I don't think that's much of a ground. Barrett and I were talking about how this is painted, but this is how they show to do it. So this goes on the side of the unit. And Barrett, we got to take out this was just for, roughing it in to keep the weather out and the birds and squirrels and the Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Now we can slide the grill in. Or we can just leave it like this. Hello, Babs. Barret. This goes in there. Are the holes lined up? That's it. And oh, Barret, we did it.
We did it.
I don't think that's going to keep bugs from coming in, but it's there. Now all we got to do is slide in far enough to attach this, and we're good.
Okay.
All right, Barret, we got our ground hooked up. This is hooked to the case, which I don't know. I think this is a token effort, but it's attached to the unit. What I'm afraid of is if I don't use it, the remote might not work or some crazy thing like that. Were you reading the directions?
Yeah.
What do you think, Barret?
It's nice, Dad.
I'm going to use spray foam.
Yeah, why not?
I'm not going to put those crappy little foam things. They ain't going to do nothing. We're going to spray foam around the framing.
Makes
and then,
sense.
for now, see, once the electrician puts our panel up over there, he can just run a home run over here, hook up the panel, and he can have warmth while he's working.
Nice.
Semi-warmth because there's no insulation, but
Right.
the mental picture of having heat, right? Got the wire. Me and Barret got the panel up. It's just located. It's really not up yet, but I didn't want the electrician to put it against that stud. I wanted to have as much room here in this corner as possible. This is going to be the hobby corner. Barret was able to reach up there and lay out the bath vent, which is just a through-the-wall. Grab that, Barret, we'll show it to him. I like these little things. I've used these in, I don't know, many houses where it's just straight through the wall and very easy to install. And so that goes up there, and the toilet, basically over the center of the toilet. So you got 36-inch shower. So I get this to zoom in. Going that way. And then we have the toilet area, basically comes over to this stud. The vanity starts there, the lavatory comes over to here. And then the washer. So it's all laid out for the plumber and the electrician in case I can't get here at exactly the same time as they do.
Cool, Dad.
Is there a storm coming, Barret?
Yep.
They said there was. But those clouds are awesome looking though, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.